BankAmericard Credit Card Overview. The BankAmericard Credit Card is a straightforward, no-frills credit card designed for individuals seeking a low-cost, reliable financial tool to manage their expenses and reduce existing credit card debt. This card stands out with its competitive 0% introductory APR for the first 18 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers, made within the first 60 days of account opening, making it an ideal choice for those looking to consolidate debt or finance large purchases without incurring immediate interest. After the introductory period, a variable APR of 17.24% to 27.24% applies based on your creditworthiness. The card has no annual fee, ensuring that users can focus on paying down their balances rather than worrying about extra costs. Additionally, it includes Bank of America's suite of security and convenience features, such as fraud protection, text alerts, and digital wallet compatibility for seamless mobile payments. Cardholders also gain access to Bank of America's extensive network of ATMs and branches, along with customer service that's available 24/7. This credit card is particularly well-suited for individuals with good to excellent credit who are committed to responsible credit management and are looking to minimize interest payments. It's not a rewards card, so if your primary goal is earning points or cash back, this might not be the best fit for you. Instead, the BankAmericard is all about simplicity and savings, providing a straightforward way to manage finances without the distraction of rewards programs or complicated fee structures. Whether you're looking to finance a major purchase, pay down high-interest debt, or simply want a card with a strong emphasis on affordability and security, the BankAmericard credit card offers a solid, no-nonsense solution. In summary, the BankAmericard credit card is an excellent choice for those prioritizing low costs and debt reduction over rewards, making it a practical tool for responsible credit users aiming to maintain or improve their financial health.